Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, it seems like last weekend's chilly temps are a distant memory, Justin. The humidity is sure back in full force.
Yeah, it seems so far off, Sarah. We have the heat and humidity out in full force today. Got some really nice weather if you like all that type of condition out there. 87 degrees, that's the current temp over MSU. Check it out there. Full-blown sunshine for most folks. Just a little bit of a hazy sky for some this evening. Satellite radar again showing, well, not really much of anything right now. We're staying fairly clear across the area. Temperatures, again, very warm. 86 degrees. That's the current reading for Lansing. St. John's at the same reading. A couple of 88s for Mason and Charlotte. Coldwater is at 91 degrees. And then you factor in that humidity that you mentioned, Sarah. And we've got middle 60s, upper 60s dew points, some near 70 degrees. That's all that moisture that we're continuing to see come back into the area. Heat index as a result, a couple ticks higher. Feels like widespread 90s across almost the entire area right now outside. But as well as we have the weather right now staying clear and sunny, there are some storms brewing across Lake Michigan, and those are going through portions of northwest Wisconsin right now. Now you see the trajectory of these storms. They're heading our way. It's going to take a little bit for them to get here, and they won't arrive this evening, so we'll have a nice and dry evening. But as we head into the overnight, we'll start to see these storms show up. And as these storms move in, we're also talking about the small chance for some severe weather to roll through. And now most of us are sitting in this yellow shaded category, which is the slight risk for severe weather. The greater threat right now looks to be a little bit north and west of us. But we can't rule out an isolated stray strong thunderstorm or two, which could just produce some areas of hail and also some very strong and damaging winds potentially. Now, Future Track shows, again, this evening staying very dry and very clear as well. It'll still be a very warm one, so by the time the sun does go down, it'll probably feel fairly comfortable out there. But as we go into the overnight period here, again, you see this line of showers and storms start to roll through. This is as we get closer to 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. That pushes through maybe a rumble of thunder, flashes of lightning to wake you up, but by the time we get through our Wednesday morning and hit midday, that rain is gone and behind us, and we even see some clearing towards the end of the day, have some more sunshine on Wednesday, not quite as hot as it is today. Now, as we go into the overnight, we stay mainly clear. Thursday, we start off with a good deal of sun, and outside of a few high-passing clouds, we stay dry also and sunny on Thursday. So for the planner this evening, again, very warm. We're in the 80s through the sunset. After that, we'll get into those middle 70s before midnight as clouds start to come in. And those storms, again, are going to start arriving as we get into the early morning hours of Wednesday. We're talking about 5 o'clock or so in the morning to expect these to roll through. Small chance for severe. We're at 68 for the low. Tomorrow, not quite as hot at 82. And again, after those storms and shower chances are out early on in the morning, we actually start to clear out as we head into the afternoon, get a good deal of sunshine later on at 82 degrees for the high. And outside of a stray shower maybe coming in Friday afternoon, we've got a fairly dry week ahead. Check out this weekend. Temperatures looking very comfortable. We're going to be sitting a little bit below 80 degrees. Humidity recedes a little bit as well. So Saturday and Sunday looking absolutely beautiful for this weekend. Overnight lows in the 50s. You can crack those windows open, give the air conditioners a little bit of a break before the heat and humidity, well, it sounded like a broken record here, Sarah, returns as we head into early next week.